Good afternoon. Today we are going to prove formula. Prove that tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan. Now LHS equals to tan A plus B, and that can be written as sine of A plus B upon cos of A plus B. As you know that sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B, that is equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. On previous turn I have proved these two formulas. By using these formulas here, the tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, then by the formula sin A plus B cos A plus B, we can write this as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. On dividing, numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, we get that is equals to sin A cos B upon cos A cos B plus cos A sin B upon cos A cos B upon cos A cos B upon cos A cos B minus sin A sin B upon cos A cos B. Now you see, your this cos B and cos B will be cancelled, cos A and cos A will be cancelled, total cancel, and you can write this is sin A by cos A plus sin B upon cos B upon 1 minus sin A by cos A into sin B by cos B, that is equals to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So you can see this is the formula, this is the proof of the formula tan A plus B. Similarly, you can prove we can prove we can prove similarly we can prove tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Now prove that cot A plus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. Proof LHS equal to cot A plus B, that is equals to cos A plus B upon sin A plus B. So you write the value of cos A plus B. This is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B upon sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. On dividing, numerator and denominator by sin A sin B, we get this is equal to cos A cos B upon sin A sin B minus sin A sin B upon sin A sin B upon sin A cos B upon sin A sin B plus cos A sin B upon sin A sin B. You simplify and you can write this is equal to cos A upon sin A cos A upon sin A into cos B upon sin B minus 1 upon cos B by sin B sin A and sin A will be cancelled, sin B and sin B will be cancelled, plus cos A by sin A. So you can write cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. Cot B plus cot A, this is the formula for cot A plus B equal to this much, you can see. Similarly, you can prove, we can prove cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Your proof is same. Now, after doing this much, we are going to do transformation formula. After this, we are going to do transformation formula. What are the transformation formula? You see that we are going to do transformation formula. TRANSFORMATION, transformation formula. First transformation formula. Prove that sine of a plus b into sine a minus b equal to sine square a minus sine square b minus sine square b. So LHS equal to, that is sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. This can be written as sine a cos b plus cos a sine b into sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So now you see this is of the form a plus b. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Your result is a square minus b square, where a is sine a cos b and b is cos a sine b. And when you substitute here, so your a square is sine square a cos square b minus cos square a sine square b. So you have to reduce this in the form of sine square a minus sine square b. So in place of cos, you substitute its value in terms of sine. So you will get that this is equal to sine square a in the bracket 1 minus sine square b minus 1 minus sine square a into sine square b. Open the bracket. Sine square a minus sine square a sine square b minus sine square b plus sine square a sine square b. These two terms will be cancelled. This is equal to sine square a minus sine square b. This is your RHS. This is the first transformation formula I did with you. Now second, what is second? You see that. Your second transformation formula is second. Prove that cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b equal to cos square a minus sine square b. Your LHS equal to, proof. LHS equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. That is equals to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. If you take, let a equals to cos a cos b and b equals to sin a sin b, this result can be written as a plus b in a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. So it is cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. So in this case you can write this is cos square a into 1 minus, we are making the change according to the proof, minus 1 minus cos square a into sin square b. Open the bracket, cos square a minus cos square a sin square b minus sin square b plus cos square a sin square b. This term and this term will be cancelled. That is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. This is the proof of second transformation formula. Now, after this, we are going to prove some more transformation formula by using the formula sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is your first formula. Sin of A minus B is equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is second formula. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is third formula, and cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We have proved these four formulas. By the combination of these four formulas, we have the following. Again, four formulas. By adding 1 and 2, that is 1 plus 2, we get sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equals to 2 sin A cos B. This is the formula. This formula change the product into sum. Similarly, this can be written as 2 sin A cos B is equals to sin of A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is fifth formula. Now, by subtracting 1 minus 2, we get sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, that is equals to 2 cos A sin B. This can be written as 2 cos A sin B. In all the cases, A is greater than B. 2 cos A sin B is equals to sin of A plus B minus sin A minus B. This is 6. By 3 plus 4, we get 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A minus B plus cos A plus B. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. This is 7. This here also A is greater than B. Now by 3 minus 4, we get 2 sin A sin B is equals to cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. Here also A is greater than B. So you remember that by using these four formulas, by 5, 6, 7, 8, by 5, 6, 7 and 8, you have again four formulas. All are transformation formula. We are changing the product into sum. Now, by these formulas, if we make certain change, we will get the formula in which we can change the sum into product. These formulas are 2 sin A cos B is equals to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, that is 5, 2 cos A sin B, that is equals to sin of A plus B minus sin A minus B, this is 6, 2 cos A cos B, that is equals to cos A minus B plus cos A plus B, this is 7, 2 sin A sin B, that is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, this is 8. In 5, I am talking about 5. In 5, if we take A plus B is equal to C and A minus B equal to D, so we can write from these two assumptions, from this assumption, when you add them, your 2A is C plus D and A is C plus D by 2. When you subtract them, 2B is equals to C minus D, B is C minus D by 2. Now, taking A plus B equal to C and A minus B equal to D, A equal to C plus D by 2, B equals to C minus D by 2, 5 can be written as 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 equal to sin C plus sin D. So now sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is another formula number 9. Similarly, you can have sin C minus sin D 6. Sin C minus sin D can be written as 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So now you have two formula 9 and 10. This is 9, this is 10. You write here. Your 9 is, we have two new formula, sin C plus sin D is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is 9, and sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is 10. So now you come in this 7 and 8. In 7 and 8, if c equals to a minus b and d equals to a plus b, then in this case again a is c plus d by 2 and b is minus 2b is equals to c minus d and b equals to minus c minus d by 2. This is b. This is a and b. So in this way 7 can be written as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos minus c minus d by 2 is equals to cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d can be written as 2 cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. By this you can write cos of minus c minus d by 2 is equals to cos c minus d by 2. So that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now in this case, when you assume in this result, so you can write innate we can write 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin minus c minus d by 2 is equals to cos c minus cos d. So in this way you can write your here cos c plus cos d can be written as 2 cos c plus d by 2. This is cos c minus d by 2. And in this case you can write cos c minus cos d. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So it is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. This is 11 and this is 12. Formula 9, 10, 11 and 12 are used to change the sum into product. Change the sum into product. So these are called the transformation formula. Now I am going to start trigonometric functions for multiples and submultiple angles. trigonometric function for multiples and submultiple angle. Submultiple angles. So now prove that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a, and that is also equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square. Proof by using the formula sine of a plus b, that is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Put b equals to a. So you will get sine of a plus a, that is equal to sine a cos a plus cos a sine a. That is sine 2a upon sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a. This can be written as sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a cos a upon sine square a plus cos square a. On dividing numerator and denominator, of RHS by cos square a, we get sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a upon cos square a upon sine square a by cos square a plus cos square a by cos square a. So that can be written as 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square. This is the second form of sine 2a, that is 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square. Now next one, prove that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sine square a, that is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a, that is equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. So it has 4 values and we will use according to the requirement of the question. Proof. By using formula cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Put b equals to a. Cos of A plus A is equal to cos A into cos A minus sin A into sin A. This is cos of 2A, that is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. When you put, this is 1. Now cos 2A can be written as 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. This is cos of 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is second value. Now third, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus 1 minus cos square A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A plus cos square A minus 1. Cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Now you see that again cos 2A can be written as cos square A minus sin square A upon cos square A plus sin square A. On dividing numerator and denominator of RHS by cos square A, we get cos 2A is equals to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So cos 2A have 4 values and we will use according to need of the question. Next thing, sum multiple angles. So you have seen cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So from this you can write 2 cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A. Cos square A equals to 1 plus cos 2A by 2, and cos A is equals to plus minus under root 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Now again cos 2A, this is 1. Cos 2A can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square A. From this 2 sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A. Sin square A equal to 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. Sin A is equals to plus minus under root 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. And this is 2. Tan A is equals to sin A upon cos A, that is also plus minus under root 1 minus cos 2A upon 1 plus cos 2A. These transformation formulas are very important. These transformation formula are very important. Now prove that tan 2A equals to prove that tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So for this, tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Put b equals to a. Tan 2a, that is equals to tan a plus tan a upon 1 minus tan a into tan a. That is equals to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. This is the formula for tan 2a. Now, prove that sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. LHS proof. LHS equal to sin 3a, that is equals to sine of 2a plus a, that can be written as sine 2a cos a plus cos 2a sin a. You have to change this formula in terms of sin a. So it is sine 2a is 2 sin a cos a. This is the value of sine 2a into cos a. Plus this is 1 minus 2 sin square a. This is the value of cos 2a into sin a. This can be written as 2 sin a cos square a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. Here 2 sin a into 1 minus sin square a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. So that is equals to 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. You can write 2 sin a plus sin a is 3 sin a and minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a minus 4 sin cube a. In this way we get the formula. In this way we get the formula sin 3 equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now prove that cos 3a cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Proof LHS is equal to cos 3a, that can be written as cos of 2a plus a, that is equal to cos 2a cos a minus sin 2a sin a. This can be written as 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a minus 2 sin a cos a into sin a. It is 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 sin square a cos a. You can write 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a into 1 minus cos square a. Open this bracket. 2 cos cube a 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a plus 2 cos cube A. 2 cos cube A and 2 cos cube A is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is the formula for cos 3A. Prove that tan 3A equals to tan 3A equals to 3 tan A minus tan cube A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. LHS equal to tan 3A, that is equal to sin 3A by cos 3A by cos 3A, that is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A upon 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. On dividing, now this can be written as tan of 2A plus A. This is equal to tan 2A plus tan A upon, हम लोग जा रहे हैं क्या, 1 minus tan 2A tan A. Put tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A and solve them. 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A plus tan A upon 1 minus 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A into tan A. You can write 2 tan A plus tan A into 1 minus tan square A upon 1 minus tan square A upon 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A upon 1 minus tan square A. By solving them, you get this is equal to 2 tan 3A equal to 2 tan A plus tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. So at the last, tan 3A is equals to 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. That's all for today. Thank you.